We'll eat them.
Dip the eggs, innit? Fried eggs, dip it. I've got to just give them 2 duck eggs. I'll have 2 gold ones to go with it.
Gold eggs are delicacy, you know.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go and get my 2 blankets.
Yeah.
The base is warming now. We can't move.
I was going to say, okay.
Oh!
Oh! Where's the cat? Can I get Jess?
Don't smash me windows. It won't make it go because it's protected its eggs.
No.
Where is it?
There's some mates coming. Look. Putting crap all over.
It's in.
He's in the middle.
Just
Isn't
blown
he?
away.
He's in the middle, isn't he?
I need a broom or something.
Shovel.
Over the other side. Rudy, be careful. They're vicious. And he's like, lads are safe. That's only, yeah. No, don't put it on the hill for Christ's sake.
Yeah, put it just down here, yeah.
I can't get over the chairs on it.
Move the chairs. No, I just
See if
don't
there's
know.
eggs.
If that goes through my van.
Is there eggs in it?
I can't see it, but if you get me a broom, I can get it because that fucking thing's up there.
Look, there's
What
a
about the
smashed egg
eggs?
on there. There's an egg. There's one's already died. Look.
Yeah.
Where?
Look.
Oh.
Right, the girl's
That's
gone.
why it's
Quick,
upset.
The girl's gone. Get me something. Get me something. Get me something.
Why don't you get the shovel and move the whole nest to be nice?
Yeah.
We need to get back in our houses.
And we'll move the whole nest. Oh.
Someone hold the
Oh,
ladder.
there's 2 now.
Hold the ladder for Jodie.
I'm getting scared. Don't you think you should move the whole nest on the shovel?
I don't want to go through
It's
your
3 now.
skylight.
It's 3 now.
There's
True.
1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh, it's coming.
Ah! Don't, I'm scared. Chuck it over the back on next door's van.
Mine's out of the way, Connie. His eggs,
Oh,
his
right
eggs
away.
coming.
What am I doing? Just chucking it off.
Yeah.
Oh,
There's
there's
an egg.
There's an egg, look.
Oh!
There.
See it? I'm going to go to prison now. I'm a fucking murderer.
Yeah, look, get
But why don't you put the egg back in the nest and move the nest somewhere?
Hold the ladder like this.
The egg's still all right. Why don't you just move that somewhere?
where?
On the shovel, I don't know.
That's it, he's gone. Huh.
Honey, out of the way.
You got the egg, yeah.
Is it warm?
Did she just smash it? Did she just smash it?
It went clonk, no, it was all right. Where can we put it though?
On someone else's.
Who don't you like?
Don't put it over on Kerry's because Ben's coming.
Put it on Danielle, she likes the animal.